Imagine having a printer that's not only affordable but also environmentally friendly. Welcome to the world of open-source paper printers, where you can print without breaking the bank or harming the planet. Just a quick note, results can vary depending on how you use this, so treat it as education, not a guarantee.
I've been following the development of open-source printers for a while now, and I'm amazed at how far they've come. From DIY kits to fully assembled machines, there's never been a better time to join the movement.
So, what exactly is an open-source paper printer? Simply put, it's a printer that's designed and built using open-source hardware and software. This means that the designs, schematics, and code are all available for anyone to access and modify.
One of the biggest advantages of open-source printers is that they're highly customizable. Want to add a new feature or modify an existing one? With open source, you can do just that, without being limited by proprietary designs or patents.
But what about the cost? Won't an open-source printer be expensive to build or buy? Actually, the opposite is true. Because the designs are open source, you can often build or buy a printer at a fraction of the cost of a commercial equivalent.
And then there's the environmental impact. Traditional printers are often designed to be disposable, with a limited lifespan and a tendency to end up in landfills. Open-source printers, on the other hand, are designed to be reparable and sustainable.
So, how do you get started with an open-source paper printer? The first step is to choose a design or kit that suits your needs. There are many options available, ranging from simple DIY kits to more complex and feature-rich machines.
Once you've chosen a design, you'll need to assemble the printer. This can be a fun and rewarding process, but it does require some technical expertise. Don't worry if you're not comfortable with DIY projects. There are many resources available to help you get started.
What about the print quality? Will an open-source printer produce prints that are comparable to a commercial machine? The answer is yes. Many open-source printers are capable of producing high-quality prints that rival those of commercial machines.
But what about the community? Is there a community of users and developers who can provide support and guidance? Absolutely, the open-source printer community is active and vibrant, with many online forums and resources available.
So, what are some of the most popular open-source paper printers available? There are many options to choose from, but some of the most popular include the Lulzbot Mini, the Prusa i3, and the MakerGear M2.
Each of these printers has its own unique features and advantages. The Lulzbot Mini, for example, is a highly compact and portable printer that's perfect for beginners. The Prusa i3, on the other hand, is a more advanced printer that's capable of producing high-quality prints with a wide range of materials.
But what about the future of open-source paper printers? As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable designs emerge. From printers that use recycled materials to printers that can print with multiple colors and materials, the possibilities are endless.
And what about the potential impact on the environment? As more people adopt open-source printers, we can expect to see a significant reduction in waste and pollution. Imagine a world where printers are designed to be sustainable and recyclable, rather than disposable and wasteful.
So, how can you get involved in the open-source printer community? There are many ways to contribute, from designing and building your own printer to participating in online forums and sharing your knowledge with others.
And what about the potential for innovation? As the open-source printer community continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see new and innovative designs emerge. From printers that can print with unusual materials to printers that can be controlled remotely, the possibilities are endless.
But what about the challenges? As with any new technology, there are bound to be challenges and obstacles to overcome. From technical issues to community conflicts, there are many potential pitfalls to navigate.
So, what's the best way to overcome these challenges? The key is to be patient, persistent, and open to learning. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out resources and guidance from the community.
And finally, what's the most important thing to remember when it comes to open-source paper printers? The answer is simple: the power is in your hands. With open source, you have the freedom to create, modify, and innovate, and that's a truly revolutionary concept.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of open source paper printers. We hope you've learned something new and inspiring, and that you'll join us in the community to explore and innovate together.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools for business and making money content. And if you want to dive deeper, you definitely need to watch our video on how to automate your life with AI next. The link is right there in the description. See you in the next one.